did God at least leave a hint about the atonement of sins in Hindu scriptures? If you're a first-time visitor, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as that will encourage us to do more incredible videos like this one. And please stay until the end for a special offer. This is a very, very good question. Yes, God has, in fact, shown the right and the only path in almost every ancient religion, including Hindu religion. But people are either blind or are hesitant to see because of the wide spread of lies and deception, or their pride or reputation, or just arrogance. The ancient and the root scriptures of the Hindus are the Vedas, and Vedas alone, especially Rig Veda. Rig Veda teaches primarily to perform yajnas or sacrifices. Why? The purpose was to make them not forget the practices or those sacrifices until the point of the ultimate sacrifice, which was to take place at the center of the earth and at the center of the timeline of human existence. But the Hindus not only missed the coming of Jesus Christ, but also completely ignored the truth of his ultimate sacrifice. Why? Because someone told them that following Christ is a white man's religion, which of course was the religion of their oppressors, the British. That's their main stumbling block. In fact, just as in the Old Testament, the Hindus also have a Messiah figure in their root scriptures, and his name is Prajapati, which means the king of the people. 99% of the Hindus are unaware of this name because of the deception that common people cannot understand the Vedas. It is more appropriate to say that they should not study the Vedas because of the fear of iniquity if they mispronounce the verses even by mistake. Hindus also have a figure like the second coming of Jesus Christ, who comes to destroy the current order of evil called the Kali Yuga, and who restores the earth to a new order of truth named the Satya Yuga. His name is Kalki, and he was supposed to be the 10th and the last incarnation of Vishnu. Now it is time for the offer. I'm also a certified nutritionist now from Stanford School of Medicine. So I'm offering a free workshop titled 3 Secrets to Weight Loss. Interested people can check it out here. The link is also in the description. I will see you there. God bless you.